Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I wanted to share an organization product that I have been using like crazy the past couple of weeks. This here is the 31 Deluxe Double Duty Caddy. So some of you may already be familiar with 31's Double Duty Caddy. It's been around for years. I actually reviewed it quite some time ago. I will link it below so that you can see how that caddy compares to this one. This here is the Deluxe Double Duty Caddy. So it's much bigger than the other one. This one retails for $38, whereas the other one retails for $25. It comes in a handful of colors. I personally like this one because I'm all about like the navies and the whites. I just think it goes with a ton of different stuff. But this here has been such a lifesaver, especially these past couple of weeks with staying at home and having to really stay organized with everyone home 24/7. So this has been like a little portable office for me. I actually used it for a lot of the kids' homeschool stuff from time to time. And I've also used it to organize like arts and craft activities, tons and tons of different things that you can use this for. I have it, like I said, kind of organized for a little home office. I'm able to just grab this and move downstairs. I can go out to the patio out back. I can be upstairs in my office like I am now, and everything just stays nice and organized. So I have 2 computers in here. I have all of my planners, planner supplies. I have a current book that I'm reading. All of that fits really nice and organized in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpack it just so you can see what I have in here and to see if this particular organization piece might be something that you want for your home. So this is kind of, I would say, the front of it. You have 2 pockets. There's not really a front and the back. They're just obviously 2 different sizes, and there's different pockets on either side. So you have 2 pockets here in the front, and then you have the long pocket here in the back. And you have this same long pocket on the back side, which I'll get to in just a second. So these 2 front pockets here are the perfect size for the small Lily Jade packing cases. Those of you that have this particular pouch already know the size of it, so you can kind of compare how big this pocket is. And then I have my weekly Simplify planner over here. That's the only thing I have in this little pocket here in the front. I have a notebook and a stretchy band attached to it. This is the planner that goes with me everywhere. It's my current like daily planner. So I have that right there in the front because I grab it out the most. Then over here, like I said, is the small packing pouch from the Lily Jade pouches, and in here I just have a bunch of planner stickers. I have some more planner stickers in this big thing, but this is all like the loose sticker pages that I have from different sticker kits and like theme type things. Like I have Disney stickers in there, and I have stickers with my kids' names on it and that kind of thing. So this is just loose sticker pages. I did have them just kind of sitting in here, which works well, but they were getting all like bent up on the edges and stuff. So I stuck them in the pouch and they work really great. Then directly behind here, I have another pouch. They both fit, as you can see, in this front, no problem. This is a Lily Pulitzer pouch that came with a little sticker planner pack that I got actually from some dear friends of mine for my birthday. But right here at the top, it's just clear the whole way around, and it has a zipper closure. In here, I have a couple of thank you cards if I need to write any of those out. I have a handful of washi from Simplify Planner. This is really the only washi I use. I'm not too big into washi. And then I have a pack of Post-its. I have some paper clips in here and page flags. So it's all that kind of loose, small planner stuff that I may need. So I have that in there. Then right behind it, I have the big pocket here. And in here I have this just goes straight across. There's no divider or anything here. I have a current book that I'm reading, and if you have not heard of this book, I highly, highly recommend it. It's How to Talk So Your Kids Will Listen, and Listen So Your Kids Will Talk. It's totally not what I thought it was going to be, but 10 times better. It's just a really good read. I'm only about 2 chapters into it, and I'm really excited to kind of explore the rest of it. So this is a really good read. Highly recommend it. Then right here next to it, I have another small Lily Jade packing case. This one's in the navy, whereas this one here is in their pink color, just for color reference for y'all. But this here has all of my electronic cords. I have the charger for both computers in here. I also have the hard drive and kind of the external piece that goes with my Mac. So all of that is nicely inside this case so that I can pull it out as I need it. Then right here next to it, I have my Gator Mom planner. This is a big monthly Erin Condren planner, and I use it specifically for Gator Mom stuff, for planning out content and scheduling things, talking to brands and all that kind of stuff. So that is what is inside this planner. Then directly behind it, I just have a magazine that I'm forever reading. And then I have my 13-inch MacBook. That fits in there, obviously, no problem. And I have everything that I need for it right in that same area. So that is what I have there on this side of the Caddy. Moving along to the sides, and then I'll get to the back of it. You have the same on both sides. You have 2 elastic pockets, which is great for pens and small office supplies or art supplies or things like that. So over here in this one, I just have a handful of these Papermate pens that I really like to use in my planner. And then this pocket right here, I just have a couple of miscellaneous pens and highlighter and pencils, because I do sometimes use my pencils when planning in my planners. And then over here on the other side, I have a stapler. This is just a small little kind of rose gold stapler. I think I got it at Target or maybe Amazon, but that fits really well inside this pocket. And then over here, I have my 2 simplified planner pens, which I use the most. And then I have a handful of these Papermate Inkajoy pens. So these are the ones that I really like. So I have those tucked in there, and it's a really easy spot to just grab them as I need them. Then on this side of the Caddy, instead of those 2 front pockets, you have a huge Velcro pocket. And this is a great spot for so much. I really like this feature of the Caddy. I just have a couple of sticker books in here. These are big ones that I couldn't fit inside the pouch, but they're kind of contained in their own book. So I have a couple of these Happy Planner sticker books, Erin Condren. I have a couple of loose sheets of the simplified stickers just because they were too big for that pouch. These are ones I use a ton. And then I also have 2 more, again, just like sticker books. And then I have a pad from Simplified. This is a grocery list pad that I use all the time. And then I also have this weekly kickstart. From time to time, especially being home in the summer, I will go ahead and just plan with this for the week, and then I will transfer it to our big family calendar in our fridge. So that's just a notepad that I have in there. So as you can see, a lot fits down in that Velcro pocket. Directly behind it, you have the same big pocket that you had over here on this side of the Caddy. And in here, I have a simplified planner, little kind of clipboard / notebook. I can't really open it up because it's got some personal stuff inside, but this is all of my home stuff. So in here I have current house projects that are being worked on and information along that kind of things. And then in here is really where I keep a lot of our home stuff, and this is the simplified home base binder. I have been meaning to do a flip through of this for you guys because it's so awesome. It has all different tabs to organize everything in your family, and it really has everything that you need. There's a family section, a contact section, projects, meal planning, finances, and then heart, which has like bucket lists and things like that. So I cannot say enough about this binder. I absolutely love it, and I want to do a flip through for you guys. Let me know below if that's something that you guys still want to see, and I'll make that happen. Then the very last thing I have back here is my other laptop. I'm trying to transfer everything into my MacBook, but this is like my big computer. It has all my family pictures on it, and it just has so much. So I've had this one the longest, and I've been in between this one and the other one, but it fits just as well. It's nice and slim. The kids use it sometime for summer learning, so it's just nice to really have them both thrown in there. So that is everything that I have inside this Caddy here. I hope you guys found this review helpful. I really think it's an item that can be used for so much stuff, even like a car organizing bin. This would be so good for like in a trunk or in between seats. I mean, the possibilities are really endless with it. I've really been enjoying it, and let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll put links to everything below as always. Have a great day.